fill in the gaps and complete quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is greater than equal to minus 5. Completing this table, first let us b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are unreal or not real. Now in this question, quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. This is general formula. Now first condition is b square minus 4ac is equal to 5. Equal to 5 means it is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then the condition over here is the roots are real. So first bracket is the roots are real. And next condition is b square minus 4ac is greater than minus 5. Since it is minus 5, so it is less than 0. Therefore, the roots are not real. Now, second question. Sum of the roots is equal to minus 7. Quadratic equation product of the roots is equal to 5. Now sum means plus sign. Now whenever root part will come to, always you will have to consider two roots, that is alpha and beta. Now sum is there, therefore alpha plus beta, which is equal to 7, and product means multiplication, that is two roots alpha and beta, that is alpha into beta is 5. Now quadratic equation, for this the formula is x square minus alpha plus beta the whole x plus alpha into beta. Now x square term will remain as it is. Instead of alpha plus beta, the value of alpha plus beta is minus 7. X plus alpha into beta value is 5. The equation is x square minus into minus is plus 7x plus 5. That is equal to 0. Question: if alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation, here quadratic equation is 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. First we'll compare this equation with comparing with a general equation, that is ax square minus bx, ax square minus bx plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 3. Now if alpha and beta are the roots, first we'll find alpha plus beta. For this, formula is minus b by a. and product is alpha into beta. Formula is C by A. Now alpha plus beta term will remain as it is. Instead of B, substitute minus sign will remain as it is, minus minus plus 4 upon 2. Alpha into beta is minus 3 upon A, which is equal to 2. Alpha plus beta minus minus is plus 4. Alpha into beta is minus 3 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Alpha plus beta is 2 and alpha into beta is minus 3 upon 2. Whenever equation is given and you will have to find the value of two roots, that is alpha and beta, compulsory you will have to use this formula. That is alpha plus beta is minus b by and alpha into beta is c by. Alpha plus beta the whole x plus alpha into beta, which is equal to 0. X and alpha into beta value is minus 3 upon 2. Square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. We have to just find the value of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta we have find the value, which is 2, and alpha into beta value, which is minus 3 upon 2. This is your answer. Determinant now. Discriminant means you will have to find the value, that is b square minus 4ac. Compulsory when discriminant word is used, you will have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. First question is x square plus 7x minus 1, which is equal to 0. Start comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where value of a, which is 1, value of b, which is 7, and value of c, which is minus 1. Now we will have to find b square minus 4ac, that is b, value of b is 7 square minus 4 into value of a is 1 and value of c is minus 1. 7 7s are 49, minus into minus is plus, 4 ones are 4, again 4 ones are 4, 49 plus 4, which is equal to 53. Now for discriminant, you all can consider it as a triangle. Therefore the value of discriminant is equal to 53. Similarly, you will have to solve next sum. 2y square minus 5y plus 10, which is equal to 0. Now third sum. Root 2x the whole square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 the 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Again start comparing with ax. Value of a is root 2, value of b is 4, and value of c is 2 root 2. Again you will have to find b square minus 4ac, that is 4 square minus 4 into value of a is root 2 and value of c is 2 root 2. 4 square is 16, minus sign will remain as it is. Root 2 into root 2, which is 2, 4 2s are, which is 8. Of the following quadratic equation, x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. This question you will have to solve same as second question. First compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Value of a is 1, value of b is minus 4 and value of c is 4. Then b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, means if value is in positive sign, that is 5, 6, 10, 15, 20, then the roots are real. If it is equal to 0, that is if the final answer is 0, then the roots are real and equal, and if it is less than 0, means if negative value comes, then it is not real. I will have to solve this sum for homework, 3 sums. sum are same as second question. Only one extra step is there. That is, you'll have to find whether it is real, unequal, or not real. Next, fourth question. Form the quadratic equation if its roots are first 0 and 4. Now here you will have to form the quadratic equation and roots are given. So let the two roots be alpha and beta. Now value of alpha is 0 and value of beta is 4. First alpha plus beta and next is alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta, value of alpha is 0, value of beta is 4. 0 plus 4 which is 4. Alpha into beta, that is 0 into 4 which is equal to 0. Quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta the whole x plus alpha into beta which is equal to 0. X square term will remain as it is. Alpha plus beta value is 4. X plus alpha into beta value is 0. This is your quadratic equation. 10. Again value of alpha is 3 and value of beta is minus 10. First you will have to find alpha plus beta and next alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta, value of alpha is 3, value of beta is minus 10. 3 plus or minus 10, 3 minus 10 which is equal to 7, greater number sign is minus, and 3 into minus 10, 3 tens are 30, sign minus. Again equation is x square minus alpha plus beta the whole x plus alpha into beta, x square minus 7x plus or minus 30, x square minus 7x plus into minus is minus. This is your quadratic equation. Next sum is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Again alpha is half, beta is minus half. First alpha plus beta, that is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. 1 minus 1 which is equal to 0 upon 2. Anything upon 0 is 0. Now alpha into beta, that is 1 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 2. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 2s are 4. But sign over here is minus. Quadratic equation x square minus alpha plus beta the whole x plus alpha into beta is 0. X square 0x plus or minus 1 upon 4. X square minus 0x plus into minus is minus. Now since denominator term is 4, so multiply whole equation by 4. Each term by 4, that is 4x square minus 0x minus 1 which is equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. Number 10 and minus 10. 0 and 7. Next sum, fourth one, 2 minus root 5 and next is 2 plus root 5. Again value of alpha is 2 minus root 5 and value of beta is 2 root 5. First alpha plus beta, that is 2 minus root 5 plus beta value is 2 plus root 5. Now minus root 5 plus root 5 will get cancelled out. 2 plus 2 which is equal to 4 and alpha into beta 2 minus root 5, beta value is 2 plus root 5. Now a term, a minus b, a plus b formula you will have to apply. Formula, that is a square minus b square. Now a term over here is 2, that is 2 square minus b term is root 5 the whole square. 2 square is 4. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. 5 minus 4, 1. Greater number sign is minus. The quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta the whole x plus alpha into beta, which is 0. X square minus alpha plus beta value is 4. X plus minus 1, which is 0. X square minus 4x plus into minus is 1. 1 minus 3 root 5 and 1 plus 3 root, same as the above sum.